to Infinity RG channel.
Infinity RG, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. Kids World. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
Hi friend, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am also fine. Where did you go yesterday?
I went to Osmania Marathon to attend a seminar in the occasion of tree plantation.
Would you please tell me about tree plantation?
Yeah, why not? Trees are great important for us. We cannot think of our existence without trees. Trees gives us food, shelter, and oxygen, and so on.
What is the impact of trees in climate?
Trees plays a great impact in our climate.
You notice that many people cutting trees at random. What will be its outcomes?
Yeah, if many people cutting trees at random, the country will turn into a desert and the temperature will be high.
Thank you for your